Hello everyone, how's it going today? What I'm going to be showing you is more of a garage type modification that you can use for your car. And what it is this here. It is the garage hoist. I was able to order it through work. We have a point system, so I was able to get this just for free by doing some safety observations. But this looked like it'd be pretty cool for my roof box out over here. So the plan is to set this up where I can just put these little, I guess, tie straps around and just lift the box up, because if you look over here, don't really have any space to really put it there. So the plan is set this up and see how it works. Now it comes with two little pulleys that you can see down here, and then kind of a system set up on this side along with the straps and then the rope. So I'm going to go ahead and start kind of setting everything up here and show you how I'm doing it. So I ran into a little bit of an issue. I realized that the actual studs for me to tap into are going horizontal rather than vertical, so I could attach it on one side but I couldn't on the other. And so I'm going to have to put it angled, I guess horizontal versus the vertical, which I was wanting to do. So I have the first one in now. Basically just screw some pilot holes and put some lag bolts in there. I'm going to measure really about 29 inches away. That's what I felt was going to be best for doing the actual box itself. So I'm going to go ahead and put the other one in, and I'll show you how I'm starting to do the pulley system. So this is the setup I'm doing now. I basically just tied a knot on this end. I have the rope sticking out of here, and I just fed these two bolts through, and then gonna tighten down the nuts on the other side. If you see up here, those are where the two lag screws were. So pretty simple install so far. So this is just the way that I fed the rope here. It starts there with the knot, comes down, goes around through the pulley, then right through here, comes around, and you can see goes through one side, down, and then loops around and goes back in through here, and then comes out into another pulley that comes up here into a knot. Now it may be a little bit confusing, but basically it's just around, through the holes, looped around, down on the pulley, and then a knot. So this is really just for anyone who wants to do this in the future. Feel free to ask me any questions if you decide to get this kit yourself. Now what I like about it is that these pulleys can go all the way to the ground with how much rope that you have, and then you're able to actually just connect it while the box is on the ground and then raise it up into the air. So I'm going to take the box off the car now and then start working on the pulley. So that first time was too low. I'm going to go ahead and try it again. So here we go, much better result now. It looks pretty good and pretty sturdy, so I'm liking that a lot. Now, you do have, let me show you here, they do provide you with this. I guess it's for you to screw into the wall like so, where you can tie the string onto it, but I'm actually going to save this piece because I'll need it for a different project. I'm just going to throw the rope up over here, then I'm going to pull the car in now and show you what it looks like. So as you can see here, have the rack installed. It's got plenty of clearance in here. It actually frees up much more space in my garage than trying to tuck it in the corner. So I'm really pleased with this. The install was pretty simple, wasn't too crazy or anything, but the only thing I would say that I dislike is the actual rope pulley system. There's no actual help with it, and so it's all your strength, but tying into the studs there, it gives me plenty, I guess, of support whenever I pull on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.